Now, what will be the first question?
On Monday, a person made 8 packages weighing an average of 12 3 by 8 pounds, and on Tuesday, 4 packages weighing an average of 15 1 by 4 pounds. What was the average weight in pounds of all the packages the person made on both the days?
First, it is what T for Monday, right? Now, tell me how many packages were made on Monday?
8 packages.
8, right? So it is right, 8 on the left side of the T. Then tell me what was the average weight of these 8 packages?
12 3 by 8 pounds.
12 3 by 8 pounds, and that is
99 by 8.
99 by 8. So it is right, 99 by 8 on the right side of the T. Okay. Now 8 into 99 by 8. So what is the total weight of all the 8 packages?
99 pounds.
It is 99. Right? Wonderful. Now let us go for Tuesday. Again, draw another T for Tuesday and tell me how many packages were made on Tuesday?
4 packages.
4 packages, right? So it is right, 4 on the left side of the T. Then what was the average weight of the 4 packages?
15 1 by 4 pounds.
15 1 by 4 pounds. That comes on the right side of the T. And what is 15 1 by 4 is?
That is 61 by 4.
61 by 4. Right? Great. So tell me what is the total weight of all the 4 packages?
61 pounds.
Right. So the total weight of all the 4 packages will be 61, right? So 4 into 61.4 equal to 61. Great. Now let us combine Monday and Tuesday. And it's on a T for Monday and Tuesday. Right? Now tell me how many packages were made on both Monday and Tuesday?
12 packages.
12 packages, right? So 12 packages goes on the left side of it. Then what is the total weight of these 12 packages?
160 pounds.
160 pounds, right? 99 plus 61, that is 160 pounds. So what is the average of these 12 packages? That is 160 upon 12, right? So when you simplify, you get 40 over 3. So tell me, what is 40 over 3 in mixed fraction?
13 1 by 3.
13 1 by 3, right? Therefore, that should be our answer. Is that clear?